When the case of Ashar Sharif come in limelight, it was said it was a case of mistaken identity, and now 45 pages judgment has proved that it was a brutal murder. Mistaken identity can occur when an individual is wrongfully identified as another person, often leading serve a legal implications. In Pakistan, this phenomenon has purged the legal judicial system, resulting in wrongful convictions, false imprisonments, and shattered life. This video will explore the concept of mistaken identity, its legal ramifications, and examine the notable cases in Pakistan that have brought this issue into the limelight. Mistaken identity has a profound legal ramifications. False accusation can lead to individual being arrested, charged, and convicted for the crimes they did not commit. This can result in lengthy prison sentences, irreparable damage to reputation, and psychological trauma. In some cases, mistaken identity can even result in the death penalty. This was tragically illustrated in the case of Sharafat Hussain, a mentally ill Pakistani who was executed in 2015 after being wrongly convicted of murder. The Supreme Court of Pakistan later admitted that Hussain was not guilty of crime he was accused of. This highlighted the devastating consequences of mistaken identity. Numerous factors can be contributed to mistaken identity, including individuals with similar physical characteristics can be mistaken for each other, especially in the case of eyewitnesses identification. Humans are based on bias. Bias can make us see things which are not related, and they can overlap over memory, and they can relate the events which are not even present or happened. Biased police investigations can lead to incorrect identification of suspects, particularly in cases involving sensitive intention. Eyewitnesses' accounts are often unreliable due to the factors such as stress, fear, and the influence of suggestion. This can lead to misidentification and wrongful conviction. Pakistan legal history is full of such cases where mistaken identity has shaken up the trust of the people and criminal justice system was put into questions. Some of the notable cases are included in this video. The Karachi bakery case. In 2002, 5 innocent men were arrested, tortured for alleged involvement in terrorist attack on a bakery in Karachi. The men were eventually released after investigation revealed that the main perpetrator has escaped. The Raymond Davis case. Everyone is aware of that. In 2001, Raymond Davis, a CIA contractor, shot 2 Pakistani in Lahore. Raymond Davis intentionally claimed self-defense, but the government accused him of murder and detained him. After a diplomatic negotiation, Davis was eventually released and returned to the US. It is a very famous case. I know you must all heard of it. The Fahmeen Mahmood case in 2013. Fahmeen Mahmood, Deputy Superintendent of Police, was mistakenly identified as a terrorist and shot by police in Karachi. This incident sparked widespread outrage and highlighted the damages and the dangers of the mistaken identity. History is full of unfamous cases also, which highlighted many in this video. Now another case which is not related to the jurisdiction of Pakistan is this, that Lyndon Cameron case in 1980. An Australian woman named Lyndon Cameron was wrongfully convicted of murdering her infant daughter. Her conviction was based false evidence and a numerous identification This identification was based on error. It took 4 years of her innocence, and then she was proven guilty. The Wrong Man in 1953 film, The Wrong Man immortalizes the story of a innocent man who named as Mary, who was falsely accused of robbery based on mistaken identity. He spent in prison before his true innocence was established. Mistaken identity is also found its way into the art, literature, and popular culture. In literature, the Shakespeare's The Comedy of Errors, whose sets of identical twins are mistaken for each other, leading to serious humorous mishaps. Film was also made in 1988. The Fugitive features a wrongful accused man whose efforts to clear his name were hindered by relentless pursuit based off mistaken identity. A very famous song, "Every Breath You Take" by the police expose the haunting consequence of the relationship built by mistaken identity. Several measures are taken to lower down the risk of mistaken identity, ensure the integrity of criminal systems. These steps can be: police department should adopt standardized and unbiased investigation techniques to minimize the chances of erroneous identification. In addition to eyewitness testimony, alternative identification methods such as DNA analysis, fingerprints, and voice recognition should be utilized to enhance the accuracy. Proper identification lineup should be made and conducted with a trained personnel and an accurate safeguard to prevent the bias and suggestive procedures. Judges should be provided with a clear instructions to jurists on the risk of mistaken identity and the importance of evaluating witness testimony accurately. All individuals accused of crimes should have access to the competent legal representative, that is a lawyer or an advocate, to ensure their rights are protected and challenge them that if they are mistakenly charged of any crime. Mistaken identity is a serious problem that undermines the criminal justice systems and take away individual rights. In Pakistan, this phenomena has resulted in countless wrong convictions and many lives have destroyed. By addressing legal implications of mistaken identity, implementing and decreasing its measures, and promoting a culture of fairness and objectivity, society can stop and prevent these injustices from occurring in future. Only through concrete efforts we can ensure that the innocent are protected from the tragic consequences of mistaken identity.